Quality management systems. Quality management systems comes in unit 6 of the our subject process control in VV. Quality. It is defined as the standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind, the degree of excellence of something. Quality is the degree to which an object or entity, like process, product, or service, satisfies a specified set of attributes or requirements. That is another definition. Quality is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirements. Next, quality refers to how good something is compared to other small things. In other words, its degree of excellence. The ISO definition is the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bears its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. There are 7 types of quality. Concept of quality. So, what is the concept of quality? There are 7 types of quality methods. One is product quality. Products that fit customer needs and fulfill customer expectations. Service quality. Services involve intangible elements of quality such as environments, customer service, and customer experience. Experience quality. IT quality. Data quality. Information quality. The levels of quality that some book authors talk about are acceptable quality. So whether it is acceptable to the customer or not. Second one is appropriate quality, whether it is appropriate to the needs of the customer or not. Aspirational quality, so that which can be gained with a high set of machinery functions and quality of people. Aspirational quality is the best that we can achieve. Importance of quality. Quality is critical to satisfying your customers and retaining their loyalty so they continue to buy from you in the future. Quality products make an important contribution to long-term revenue and profitability. They also enable you to charge and maintain higher prices. Quality attributes. Some adjectives for fabric are just you can think of any of these things in your mind also. Lovely phantom, lightweight fabric, spongy fabric, frail and worthless fabric, plain but soft, fine, smooth synthetic, quilted beige, substantial, and so on. Quality control in textile industry. Quality control is a set of steps or guidelines designed to guarantee that a product or service meets certain performance standards. Textile quality control is measured by a garment's quality as well as the various production components, selection of raw materials, fiber manufacturing, yarn manufacturing. Quality control process in textiles. One, quality control. Textile testing equipment such as Martindale abrasion tester and crock meter are used to perform inspection of products used in the clothing industry. Using standards set at the international level, measurements and durability tests are conducted. Quality control process in textiles. So this is the second slide of that. Second, conformity. Using pre-production samples, the product is examined for such things as type of raw materials used, design, colors and all associated factors that are used to produce a finished item. Third one, quality. Such textile testing equipment as the Landrometer examines products for defects in the fabrics, colors, accessories, defects to the labeling and manufacturing. Products that do not pass this stage are eliminated and do not end up in the marketplace. Measurement. Each product undergoes strict measurements as prescribed by a standard chart. The measurements are specific to the item but can reveal errors created somewhere through the production line. Packaging. Even after the finished product meets the strict textile testing equipment standards, the shipping, containers and packaging also require standardization. The checks include carton sizes, weights, labeling, and assorted other details related to shipping and receiving. How to control quality? The key to the key to controlling quality in the textile industry should start at the garments factory and that requires specialized equipment. Textile testing equipment is the most efficient and cost effective way of keeping standards in place through various product line productions. There are additional ways to ensure quality control in the factory, and they include: ensure operators have proper training and use quality materials. Understand the quality specifications. Provide good and bad feedback on products being manufactured. Check on work being produced on a daily basis. Reference a quality control checklist. Use textile testing equipment to maintain standards, quality standards. Not to compromise quality under any circumstances. And quality training. Offer training programs to the workers and other people in the other staff in the machinery details. Another way to keep high quality standards in place is to have qualified staff monitoring production. By training staff to understand the purpose behind maintaining quality control systems, many issues can be resolved as soon as they become apparent. By working together as a team to achieve the same goals, quality control in the garments industry is easy to meet and maintain.